So hello friends and welcome back. In the previous video I wrote 4 topics and we have completed already that how to identify a number whether it's irrational or rational. Now moving on to the second topic, how to represent a number on the number line. Sorry, it's not graph, it's number line. Sorry for that. So now let's me take, yeah. So in textbook it's given under root 9.3. So we will take under root 9.3 as an example. And now we have to how do we represent under root 9.3 on number line? So first of all we will have to make a number line. So let's make it a number line. Number line is infinite, we know, from both the side. Now mark this point as A and 9 centimeter away. 9 centimeter. Remember, in question we have been given 9.3. If we have been given 10.3, then we have to make it 10 centimeter away. The number which we have given before point, we have to make that much centimeter line. So here 9 is given, so we will make a 9 centimeter line. Let's assume that this line is of 9 centimeter and mark the point as B. Then whatever number is given after the point, that does not matter, because we have to make a 1 centimeter line. 1 centimeter line from B and mark it as C, and this 1 centimeter line is compulsory to make. Then what we have to do, we have to take length as A and C. After taking length as AC, we have to make 2 arcs from C and then another 2 arcs from A. Let me repeat, we have to take length of A, C and mark and from point C and A both we have to make 2 arcs, and then make a straight 90-degree line. Your line will be straight, but I am just showing it on a whiteboard. I do not have the instruments right now, so I am just doing it roughly. Then mark the intersecting point as M. Mark the intersecting point as M. Then take length as MA or MC, whatever you want. Both are equal because this is the middle point. You can take MA or MC, they both are equal. Then make an arc from MC. Then you will have to make an arc from M. You have to make an arc from M by taking length MC till C. Now here, if you have been given minus 9.3, then you have to do the same method. Just this 1 centimeter would be this side. This 1 centimeter number would be this side, and this arc would be made this side, like this. This is a number line. It's point A, it's point B. Here is a 1 centimeter line. I am making arc. This is midpoint, and then I am making a semicircle. Then the number minus 9.3 would be represented on left line, because positive is on right hand side and negative is of left hand side. Then what are we going to do? We are going to make a straight 90-degree line from point B and mark the intersecting point again as whatever you want. I am just taking B right now, and then I am doing the same process here also. See, sorry, not till A, I have to mark it till C. Then here from A I have to make a 90-degree arc, mark it at P. Now what to do? Now taking length BP. Now we are going to take length as BP, and by taking length B and P, we will make an arc like this. The arc would be made like this, and this is now under root 9.3. Same here, taking length PA, this point will be under root minus 9.3. So that's it. I have shown you how to represent positive and negative both number on a number line. So here our number line is also completed. Now let's move on to third topic, and the third topic is how to rationalize the denominator. If the denominator is an irrational number, then how can we make it a rational? So in book first question is given 1 upon under root 7. It's in exercise 1.5. Question number 4, first question is given 1 upon under root 7. Sorry, question number 5 is 1 upon under root 7. Now, one more thing. Before starting with this, have you noticed I have here written simplify e and here I have written simplify power exponents. Why? Because this e stands for an equation or expression, whatever you can say, equation or expression. So now, how to simplify an expression I will show you here, we will study that. But another important point is how to simplify power and exponents. If you have been given in exam 64 1 upon 2, how are you going to simplify it? How? That we are going to study in this video itself. But first let's cover this one topic, then we are going to start with that. So now, one more thing, can this is equals to 1? Would this be equal to 1? Yes, because under root 7 will be cut and remainder will be 1. Any number in numerator upon denominator form is equals to 1. Any number in numerator upon denominator form is equals to 1. Any number. Why? Why? It's a rule. It's a mathematics rule. So here we have to do that same thing that I just wrote. You have to take the denominator. Remember, you have to rationalize the denominator. The numerator does not matter. Numerator should be there, but does not matter. It's irrational or rational. We have to rationalize the denominator. So now, can we do this 1 upon under root 7 multiply under root 7 upon 7? This is another form of 1. So we can do it because 1 upon under root 7 multiply 1 will be is equals to 1 upon under root 7. So the output will be same. So we can multiply this with this. So now what will be done? Here the output will be under root 7 upon under root 7 square. Under root 7 is given 2 times. I said before that the output will be 1. But here we do not have to get the output, we have to rationalize the denominator. So the method for rationalizing the denominator is different. If in the question it would have been written find the remainder, then you would probably have done this and the answer would be 1. So 1 would be your remainder. But we have to rationalize the denominator. So for rationalizing the denominator, we will have to do this method. Under root 7 is given 2 times. So under root 7 square would be there, and under root 7 multiplied by 1 will be under root 7. So now that will be is equals to under root 7 upon 7. This is your answer. Remember what I told in the previous video, that square of any under root number would be the same number without root. Square of any under root number would be the same number without root. Now second question. Second question is 1 upon under root 7 minus under root 6. This is the second question. 1 upon under root 7 minus under root 6. So now, there are 2 terms given that. there are two terms given in the denominator. So what are you going to do now? Remember, whenever you write it like this, which sign will you add here? Remember, if you get two terms, the sign of the denominator should be minus. The sign here should always be minus, and here the sign, whatever you can add. If here in downwards the sign is minus, it's division. So when it will go up, the sign will be changed to plus, and here the sign is always minus. So now we know how to do it. The same method which used in the first one, under root 7 plus under root 6 upon under root 7 square minus under root 6 square, that will be equal to under root 7 plus under root 6 upon 7 minus 6. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So your answer is here. The denominator is rationalized. So I hope you understood this. I am not taking any more sums because you have clearly understood this. So our rationalized denominator is already done. Also done. Sorry, not already. Also done. Now simplify. Very important topic. Simplify is very important topic. So you have to simplify.